Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about AAMA certified installers. Let's go. So this book here is basically the Bible of window installers by the American Architectural Manufacturers Association. That's what AAMA stands for. This is a stringent code. So if your installers are AAMA certified like we are, I am, they've went through rigorous testing in order to show that they understand what it is to really install a window properly. This goes over the proper sealants, the proper techniques, the use of backer rod, the trimming styles, new construction flashing, and there's different types of new construction flashing. There's not just one way works for all. There's actually 3 or 4 different methods that you can use for a new construction installation. All of that information is gonna be in this book. If somebody is training somebody else to do a window installation, but they don't really know the techniques, they're installing things improperly more times than not. Whereas if you've understood what it takes to install a window and then go through this testing process, it really drives home the right way. And that's why I'm always about doing things the right way the first time. So it's not just reading the book, it's answering all the questions, going through it, and basically coming out the end with a passing grade saying, yeah, you understand what it is to install a window the right way. If you're a homeowner who is interested in getting a window replacement, look for those companies that are AAMA certified. That is going to help ensure that the window installation is gonna go primo and that you're gonna be happy in the end. The installers that take the time to go into this, I mean, just shows like a dedication, like they're a master of their craft. I feel like I'm a master of my craft, and all of my guys, we go through this same testing, and I wanna make sure that the customer in the end is extremely happy and that we don't get callbacks for leaky windows during a rainstorm or dust coming through the window frame itself or multiple things. This is gonna help. So AAMA certified installers is what you should be looking for. The reputable companies will be AAMA certified. And if they're not, they should probably look into it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. AmericanWindowConcepts.com if you have any questions. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.